In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink GitHub from Discord. If you've linked your GitHub account to Discord and are now looking to separate them, maybe for privacy reasons or personal preference, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open Discord's website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. You can do this by typing discord.com into your browser and then entering your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard where you can access all your channels and servers. This step is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to access your account settings. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of the left sidebar. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a gear. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find the options to manage your Discord account configurations. Clicking on this gear icon will open a new display full of different settings that you can manage. Within the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Connections. Click on this tab to view all the external accounts linked to your Discord account. This page is quite useful for managing all your linked services such as Spotify, Twitch, and of course GitHub. It organizes your external connections in a simple and user-friendly manner. Now that you're in the Connections tab, you'll need to find your linked GitHub account. Typically, the list of connections is displayed prominently and is easy to navigate. When you locate GitHub, you'll see its logo alongside your GitHub username. Next to your GitHub account, there should be a small X icon. This X is crucial because it indicates the option to remove or disconnect the account from Discord. Click on this X to initiate the unlinking process. It's a simple icon, but clicking it is an important step towards severing the connection. Once you click the X, you'll likely be presented with a confirmation option. This is Discord's way of ensuring that you indeed want to remove the link to your GitHub account. This prompt acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. Confirm that you do wish to proceed and then click on the option to unlink. Congratulations, you have successfully unlinked your GitHub account from Discord. By following these steps, you've regained a level of personal privacy or independence, whether for professional reasons or personal preference. Remember, if you ever decide to link your accounts again in the future, you can always repeat this process in reverse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out below.